Hi guys, this is Arias. Today we have many news for you, many changes, and this is the reason I wanted to make this video. First of all, we are ready to release Extended 2.9. First change, it has 5 files now because we have started to integrate the Turkish models and is going bigger and bigger. But except that, we have many changes for map combos, files, and uh, let's just start to talk about. This is the normal map combo as you know it, but there are few changes. Okay, for now we have at the bottom great step. uh, I understand this map is not going to be developed anymore in the future, but right now, since we are still in 139 version of the game, we keep this map in the combo. We have great step, model map and definition, English city names. We have southern region, model 2.1 definition. We have English city names. These English city names, as I said before, are optional. Volga map, model map and definition, and city names. We have a Rus map definition package. We have pro mods, assets, media models, 1 to 3 map and definition. We have Middle East add-on, assets and map. We have Project Greenland and Project Greenland ferry connection. We have Finnmark mod, and it was a discussion somewhere on one forum about problems placing this mod above all maps, and this is a stupid thing to do because keep in mind a simple rule. If a map it's an add-on for pro mods, place it just above pro mods, not above other maps. Uh, so no matter the name, if it is a pro mods add-on, it must stay right above pro mods, like Middle East add-on did, like Greenland, like Finnmark, like Poland rebuilding, Macedonia, and so on. We have Red Sea, we have Poland rebuilding, assets, model, map, and definition. You have another file, file 0 for special transport. We have Macedonia, rework. We have materials map definition. We have Macedonia and Poland rebuilding fix between these add-ons. We have Project Balkans, assets map and definition. We have MedMap. We have Mediterranean expansion. We have the rest of the Rus map files, model map. We have the SSM add-on. We have Peter for Rus map. We have Sibir map, model and definition, and this is the point where the changes start. If we talk about the old normal map combo, because we have a dedicated road connection, we are using this road connection between ProMods, Rusmap, and Poland rebuilding. If you don't use Poland rebuilding, there is one here just for ProMods and Rusmap. These two are made it by Sergey. We have southern region fix. This it's better to be above all Russian maps. We have roads version 1. We have now Turkey map, but not the ready to play version. We have Turkey Map 1.3 Lite, and I'm gonna explain to you what that means. We have Turkey Map Lite also to Middle East road connection. This is different than the road connection we used before. We have Turkey Map Roads Fix version 2. If you have version 1, please re-download. There is a mountain flying around. Fix it in this version. We have Row Extended map, assets, prefab, model 2, model and definition. You can place here the free version, Row Extended 2.6. English city names is the same as before. Southern region to Row Extended road connection, this is old for Row Extended to 8, but it's still working, no need to change it, and you don't use that if you use the free version of Row Extended. And now we have another change, because we are using the dedicated road connection for just for RusMap and ProMods and Poland Rebuilding. We have our road connections, Row Extended road connections, first one with RusMap and second one with ProMods and Poland Rebuilding. If you don't use Poland Rebuilding, there is another one simple just for ProMods and Row Extended. This is universal. You can use it with free version or with premium version. We have Południowa Polska. I don't know if I Paris rebuilt, Latvia rebuilt, Swedish Islands, and the mandatory CCS background made by Bengan. This is gonna fix your crashes when zooming the map. This is the map combo. I'm gonna talk a little more when I present you the map. This is the maps for me. First one is gonna be long, and change your map combo when you finish the delivery, because you are gonna lose the delivery if it's still ongoing. Sorry. Now about the map, and let me explain you here what I just told you in the load order. First of all, why do you have separate road connections between Romania and RusMap, between Row Extended and ProMods or Poland Rebuilding, and between RusMap and ProMods or Poland Rebuilding? Because we have in the past a composite road connection maintained by me, made it for all maps, all 4 maps or all 3 maps. That road connection connected Poland Rebuilding, ProMods, RusMap and Row Extended. It's very hard to maintain this kind of road connection, because if Sergey changes something in his part, I must change that road connection. If I change something myself, also I must to change that road connection again, and it's very difficult to maintain this kind of road connections. And also it's very difficult because this is a very sensitive area around Brest, this sector here, because is claimed by 4 maps, Row Extended, not really Row Extended, but RusMap, ProMods and Poland Rebuilding. And if I go there also, I'm gonna be the 4th player at the table, and for now I don't want to do that. I want to keep my road connections separate, because it's easy for me to keep them updated. So I dropped this connection here from Kovel to Brest just for that reason. I don't want to interfere with this sector when Sergei and Promods or Poland Rebuilding are connecting their maps. So for now, this is separate. My connections with RusMap and my connections with Poland Rebuilding or Promods are separate. Okay, but keep in mind, don't use both. Don't use from Sergei, for example, the road connection for Promods and Poland Rebuilding. Use just one according to the maps you use. In my case, the same. Don't use my connection with Promods and in the same time my connection with Promods and Poland Rebuilding. Use just one. What is new in Extended 2.9? First of all, it's the Christmas add-on. Now it's included in the map. These changes are available in both versions, free or premium. So we have this Extended Christmas add-on from Cluj, Baia Mare, Sighetul Marmației and Ivano-Frankivsk. What is new in Extended? We have from Pitești exit to the Black Hill to the Râmnicu Vâlcea, and then Old Valley to Sibiu, and also new our first steps with Turkey. We have here included in Extended. I'm not talking about Turkey project here. I'm talking about Extended. We have this part from Samsun, Ordu, Trabzon, and Hopa. As you see, the Promods road connection or the Poland Promods road connection now is made at here, so you can have the Promods part of Georgia with Batumi and Poti and maybe future development. We don't have here because we don't have the full Turkey. I decided to keep from Turkey project for this version just the updated part of it. This is the work of Affluence and Okan Avci, and this is just a part of Turkey project. This is why it's called Turkey Project Lite, because it includes just the updated parts of Turkey so far, 90%. There is a lot of work to do here, but for now it's ready to play. And because we don't have the rest of Turkey, our extension to the Baku, we don't have the southern region Turkey road connection, we don't have project Caucasus, road to Aral and something like that. This part I promise to give to another mapper, to Fun Trucker, to keep it, maintain it, and maybe develop it. And when it's ready, you are gonna have this part again. But for now, we are just connected to this part of Promods. We have the same road connection with the rest of Middle East add-on. We have a fix for roads, and this is what we have in this moment. Many people maybe wanted the full version of Turkey with these road connections, but there is also a very big important part of the community who doesn't want to play Project Turkey just because it has very old parts in the rest of Turkey and they don't like it. So now I'm offering the opportunity for everybody to go in this part of Turkey like in any map, because this is looking normal, like any other map in present day. That's it about map combo. Please don't use, I have seen many times, don't use a ferry connection made it for ProMods with southern region from Varna to Novosibirsk, because this is already included in RoExtended. So that's it. Keep an eye on RoExtended forum or RoExtended site, and very soon we'll have RoExtended 2.9 and 2.6, and then you must make the changes according to what I say in this video. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.